$100. That's all you need to start investing. Not $1,000. Not $5,000. Just $100. And yet most people convince themselves they can't invest because they don't have enough money. Today we're breaking down exactly how to take $100 and turn it into the foundation of real wealth. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact three-step system that millionaires use to start building their investment portfolio. And you can start today with just $100. Hollywood movies show rich people making million-dollar trades, Wall Street guys throwing money around. This creates a myth that investing is only for people with thousands of dollars, so regular people don't even try. Here's the truth: compounding doesn't care about your starting amount. $100 growing at 8% per year for 40 years becomes over $2,000. The same $100 at your job gets spent on coffee and forgotten. One makes you wealthy. One keeps you broke. A brokerage account is just a place where you can buy stocks and funds. Think of it like a bank account, except instead of money sitting there earning 0.01% interest, your money grows in investments. The good news: it takes 10 minutes and costs nothing. Popular beginner-friendly options include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Pick one, create an account, link your bank account, and you're done. Many have no minimum investment amount. Now here's where most people get scared. They think they need to pick individual stocks, research companies, time the market perfectly. That's actually a recipe for losing money. Instead, invest in an index fund. An index fund is basically a basket of hundreds or thousands of stocks bundled together. When you buy one share of an S&P 500 index fund, you're instantly diversified across 500 of America's largest companies. The beauty: a single $100 investment spreads your risk across 500 companies. If one fails, you barely notice. This is how wealthy people protect themselves. Here's the secret that separates wealthy investors from broke ones. They don't try to time the market or pick the perfect moment to invest. They automate it. Set up your brokerage account to automatically invest $50 or $100 every single month directly from your paycheck. You don't even see the money. It goes straight into your index fund while you sleep. 30 years later, you have hundreds of thousands of dollars without ever thinking about it. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's the most powerful wealth-building tool that exists. What if I lose my money? Yes, the stock market goes down sometimes, but historically it goes up 8 to 10% per year over the long term. If you're investing for 20+ years, the ups and downs don't matter. Time in the market beats timing the market. What if I need the money? Don't invest money you need in the next 5 years. Use a savings account for that. Invest money you won't touch for at least 5 years. What about taxes? If you're investing in a 401k or Roth IRA, the government actually gives you tax breaks. That's free money. Use those accounts first before regular brokerage accounts. You now know everything you need to know. The only thing left is to actually do it. This week, open a brokerage account. Link your bank account. Buy one share of an S&P 500 index fund with your $100. Then set up automatic monthly investments. That's it. You're an investor. Not someday. Today. If this video helped you understand investing, subscribe to Leverage Your Money. Every week we break down exactly how to grow, protect, and leverage your money so you never have to be broke again. Drop a comment below. What's holding you back from investing? See you in the next video.